Good morning students, welcome back my online class. I have finished chapter number 2, the tsunami. Today I will teach you geography lesson. This is a very beautiful poem in our book. This poem is composed by Zulfikar Ghosh. He is a great poet and he has written many short stories, many novels and many criticism, literary criticism. So let us see. His father name was Khwaja Muhammad. He was a businessman and he has written many poems as well as prosaic, fictional and non-fictional works. His books of poetry include the Violent West, A Memory of Asia, and selected poems. So he has written many short stories, novel, poems, and etc. The students to see the poet was traveling through an aeroplane. So he describes here his experiences, what happened when he was traveling through an aeroplane. So let us see students first stanza. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So this already I told you students, the geography lesson is very inspiring poem in our book. The poet tells us about 3 important things. First, how everything looks from the sky. Second, how civilization was developed and the reason behind the unorganized settlement. And third question is to himself, why people hate each other. In this way students, the poet these 3 things described in this stanza. So let us discuss the detailed study of this poem. The poet says when he was traveling means when the jet sprang it means lifted off into the sky. It was clear. The poet understood why the city had developed the way it had, because everything looked so small that a mile seemed to be like 6 inches. Everything looks small from above. So it becomes inevitable. Inevitable means certain that everything developed unplanned, without style and without any principle on the earth. The poet repeats the first line. When the jet sprang into the sky, he saw all this when the jet means aeroplane, was in the air. So in this way students, the poet here in the first stanza described his experiences when he was traveling through an aeroplane. In this way students, your first stanza finished. If you have any doubt, any confusion, I will tell you later. Thank you. Have a good day.